Hi everyone, I'm Rick. This is 15 Diamond Billiards, and I want to show you the parallel shifting system. Alright, so we go from the 8 ball, we're on the 8 ball, and we have a block of ball, apparently. We have to go here, so we want to go draw a line straight across from the 8 ball, and then you get the center of the cue ball and the object ball, which is right here. So from that point, draw a line, and then you shift it over, keeping the butt of the cue and the shaft of the cue straight, and that should be our point right there. Now, keeping in mind not to use any right or left English. A little top would be fine. Okay, so you get a good hit. Let's try to make it this time, alright? Let's try it again. I mean, in fact, to hit it is good, but to get it, that'd be much better, of course. Alright, so now from there, we're going to go right there. Gotta get the exact spot. This has to be exact. Right there. Hope that helps. Give me a comment and give me a like and subscribe if you haven't. And if everybody has subscribed, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Have a good day.